Tax season is here, and I'm sure some of y'all can't wait to file them taxes, especially if you expect to get a huge return. Believe it or not, most people don't know what really goes on when they file their taxes. This can range from exemptions to tax credits. As long as Uncle Sam cut that check, they could care less. Well, after doing some research, I decided to compile a list of my top 5 things people may not know about their tax returns.
Number 5.
There is no penalty for filing or paying late if the IRS owes you a refund. Aside from fraud or deliberate obstruction, IRS tax penalties are based on the amount you owe. This means that if you don't file your tax return on time, the IRS won't assess a penalty as long as they owe you a refund. But you only have 3 years from your tax return's due date to claim your refund, or it will become money you earn going down the drain.
Number 4.
You can make big money reporting a company for tax evasion. It's called the Whistleblower Informant Award. That's right, the IRS Whistleblower Office pays money to people who blow the whistle on persons that fail to pay the taxes they owe. If the IRS uses that information, it can award the whistleblower up to 30% of the tax, penalty, and other amounts it collects. So, if you know something and want to tell, you'll actually get rewarded for it with money.
Number 3.
The average tax fund is almost $3,000. $2,953 to be exact. Over $325 billion in tax refunds are paid out. Now, tax refunds are great, but getting a big return really means you were having too much withholding taken out of your pay, or you made estimated tax payments that was too much. So, just remember, tax refunds are like interest-free loans to the government. Does the government give you interest-free loans? No, they don't.
Number 2.
Illegal immigrants can get tax refunds. The IRS routinely seeks to collect both federal payroll and federal income taxes from illegal immigrants who are required to pay, regardless of their immigration status. But because such workers don't qualify for a valid Social Security number, the IRS issues a 9-digit individual taxpayer identification number, or an ITIN. Now, an ITIN doesn't authorize an illegal immigrant to work legally in the United States, nor does it entitle them to Social Security benefits. But along with collecting taxes, the IRS has been increasingly making payments to low-income workers who pay no federal tax but qualify for refundable credits. Credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit and the Child Tax Credit. As a matter of fact, illegal immigrants actually qualify for 8 different tax credits. Moving on.
Number 1.
And my number 1 fact for things you may not know about your tax returns: you don't have to file your taxes. That's right, you don't. Now, before you internet lawyers start crying foul, let me explain. If you earned income last year and it falls below the IRS minimum, you don't have to file a tax return. Now, the minimum varies according to your age and filing status. Whether you're single, head of household, filing jointly or with a spouse, or if you can be claimed as a dependent on someone else's taxes. Then again, if you don't file your income taxes and fail to respond to notices from the IRS may file a return for you. Yep, you will be classified as a single filer with no deductions. And this is likely to result in a tax assessment that is far higher than what you actually owe. But just to be on the safe side, whether you fall below the IRS minimum or not, file your taxes. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, man. If you got comments, leave them in the comment section. And feel free to share. Also, check out some of the other videos on my channel. You might find something interesting, or maybe annoying. I'm Ziggy Doom. Thanks for watching.